Hey everyone, welcome back again. This is just a quick tour of the vents that have been installed for the high velocity ducting system. As you can see, the way they're installed is kind of interesting. Had to header off the floor joist for the second floor, box them in nice and sturdy, and then run the chaseway, the ducting, down through that orifice. So that's pretty cool. Looks like they're just about done with that. Gotta do some trimming still on a few of these. You can see these ducts are basically attached with a cloth type strap. They're attached fairly frequently because of any need for insulation or anything like that that might go in there. You don't want it moving around and things like that, especially on the second floor where the spray foam insulation will put incredible pressure on those things to try to push them around or push them out of the cavity. Sorry it's a little dark this morning, it's kind of early, so hopefully the video is not as dim as it is in real life. Anyway, panning around, as you can see, the quote-unquote soffit duct is run very tightly and neatly up along the top of the main space. It's looking very tidy. I got all the strapping done. You can see how the top of the ducting has a plenum that comes up. And that's what runs into the softer flexible tube. It's a great system because you can run those tiny little 3-inch flexible ducts through just about anything, even in a regular studded wall, which is great if you're tight on space or want something more discreet. So there we go. All right, that's it for the downstairs. Let's go upstairs and let's see how they did up there. So pardon the shaky cam as we walk through the house and up the stairs. And here you can see apparently the electrician's been here, which I didn't know. Interesting. But you can see the ductwork is installed nice and neatly in that chaseway that's underneath the window ledge. Yeah, definitely got electrical going on up here. That's interesting. I didn't know that. Surprise! Here in the office, you can see extra outlets placed everywhere. Lots and lots of outlets. I personally find you cannot have too many outlets in an office. But again, the kind of work that I do, it's sort of required. Anyway, so yeah, this is looking good. I wasn't planning to take this video of the electrical boxes, but I might as well, just so that way I have photographic reference of where each one of these is. And in case you're wondering the numbering of the studs, we didn't actually number every single stud in this construction project. That was done because they had to be removed to get that metal ductwork in behind the electrical wires in that chaseway. And so to put them back in at the right places and the right height, so without having to remeasure everything, they were actually numbered for that wall. That's pretty cool.